Welcome to English Together. Learn real English with Lina and Sam.
Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Together. I'm Lina, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Sam. It's great to be with you again. Lina, I had a little adventure this morning.
Oh, what happened?
I almost missed my train on the way here.
Really? That sounds stressful. What happened?
I went to the wrong platform first, then I couldn't understand one of the announcements. For a moment, I felt confused and a little nervous.
I understand that feeling so well. Many English learners feel the same when they travel.
Yes, signs, voices, instructions, everything feels fast.
And when you don't understand immediately, your brain feels scared.
Exactly. But then I thought, wait, this is just English practice. I can ask for help.
That is a powerful mindset. Travel becomes easier when we feel calm.
And that is why today's topic is so important.
Yes, today we're talking about taking a bus or train, travel English for beginners.
Simple phrases, real examples, and natural conversations you can use in real life.
If you travel to school, work, or another city, this lesson is for you.
And even if you don't travel often, this conversation helps you feel more confident.
Confidence is the key, not perfection, confidence.
I love that. Ready to begin?
Let's go. Let's imagine you are standing at a bus stop or train station for the first time.
The place is busy. People are walking fast. You see schedules, numbers, and signs.
You want to make sure you're in the right place.
The first polite phrase you can use is very simple.
Excuse me, is this the right bus to...
For example, excuse me, is this the right bus to city center?
Or, excuse me, does this train go to Central Station?
These sentences are short, polite, and clear.
You don't need perfect grammar, you just need to communicate.
And most people are kind. They will try to help.
Let's do an example.
Sure.
I'll be the traveler, you be the local person.
Okay.
Excuse me, is this the right train to airport station?
Yes, it is. Stay on this platform. The train arrives in 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Simple, kind, easy.
And full of confidence.
Now, let's imagine you need to buy a ticket.
Sometimes there's a machine. Sometimes there's a ticket counter.
When speaking to a person, you can say, "Hi, I need a ticket to, please."
Or, one ticket to city center, please.
If you don't know which ticket you need, you can ask, "Which ticket should I buy?"
Or, what is the best ticket for today?
That question is very helpful, especially for beginners.
Yes, because sometimes there are many options.
Day ticket, single ticket, return ticket, weekly pass.
It can feel confusing.
But asking a friendly question can save time and stress.
Let's do another example.
Sure.
Hi, I need a ticket to Central Station, please.
Do you want a one-way ticket or a return ticket?
A return ticket, please.
Great. Here you go.
Thank you.
Very natural, very real.
Now you are on the bus or train.
You want to be polite and respectful.
You might hear or use phrases like, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Or, sorry, this seat is taken.
Another useful phrase. Excuse me, may I sit next to you?
Very polite, very friendly.
When the bus is crowded, people stand.
Sometimes the bus moves suddenly and it feels shaky.
If you bump into someone, you can say, "Sorry."
Just one word, but very important.
And when someone helps you, you say, "Thank you."
Travel becomes kinder when we use small, gentle words.
I love that.
Sometimes you are not sure where to get off.
Yes, that can feel stressful.
So you can ask, excuse me, does this bus stop near the hospital?
Or, which stop is the library?
Another useful one, can you tell me when we reach Central Station?
Many people will smile and say, "Sure, I'll tell you."
And when they remind you, you can say, thanks for letting me know.
Let's role play another example.
I'll be the traveler this time.
Okay.
Excuse me, which stop is the university?
The university is the next stop.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Simple, helpful, real.
Real life is not always perfect,
Sometimes you miss the bus,
or the train is late.
or you got off at the wrong stop.
That can feel scary.
But remember, you are still learning.
You can ask, "Excuse me, I think I got off at the wrong stop. How do I get to City Center?"
Or, sorry, which bus should I take now?
These sentences show courage.
And people respect courage.
Mistakes are not failure,
Mistakes are practice,
and practice makes progress.
not perfection, progress.
I want to say something to everyone listening.
Go ahead.
If you ask for help in English, you are brave.
You are stronger than you think.
Even if your voice shakes,
Even if your sentence is not perfect.
you are still communicating.
And communication is success.
Travel English is not about big words.
It is about calm, courage, and small steps.
Step by step,
Ride by ride.
stop by stop.
You're doing great.
Let's review the most helpful travel phrases.
Excuse me, is this the right bus to?
Does this train go to?
One ticket to, please.
Is this seat free?
Which stop is?
Can you tell me when we reach?
I think I got off at the wrong stop.
These sentences give you confidence.
And confidence gives you freedom.
Let's finish with one last example conversation.
I'll leave a traveler again.
Okay.
Excuse me, does this bus go to Green Park?
Yes, it does. You need to get off at the 4th stop.
Thank you so much. Can you please tell me when we reach it?
Of course, I'll let you know.
That feels so real.
Because many learners experience that moment.
And now they have the words for it.
And the confidence.
And the courage.
And that makes all the difference.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep traveling with confidence.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Us. Like this video and share it with a friend.
Keep practicing. See you next time.